think you know. You know I'm here to balance you out, right? Yeah, look, I think she like me when I make her fall in line. She twerk a little faster when she know a real nigga right behind. Same shit every single time. I shoot shit like Kobe, you niggas is phony and know it. She like it when I make her fall in line. She twerk a little faster when she know a real nigga right behind. Same shit every single time. I shoot shit like Kobe, you niggas is phony.
I'm about to kill this show. Might still with the art. Really about to kill the vibes. We out here. Shout out to Garden Club. Shout out to House Production for having this. Y'all gonna see what's next later though.
What we tell them? Sipping on Modelo's with my pedals, dipping through the ghettos. It's the weekend, about to get up on my level. I'm trying to dance with you, baby, cause I ain't trying to settle. I swear this thug passion got me fighting with the devil. Focused on my health, my wealth, and these chips. Smoking top shelf to myself while I whip. Trying to top chef, rhythm and Steezy, I breathe this. Ayy, flex my position, that recognition, I'm bound to get it. Me and the homies banging Pac for the inspiration. We pull up deep so you don't worry about no altercations. This icy new potion, it got me two-stepping. Hold up, the homie bout to bring the weapon cause he reckless. As a youngin' always had the homies with me, mixing that raspberry snapper with the Henny. Back when you did weird shit, we call you a Trinks. And baby been on me since 10th grade, still trying to link. I'm just ballin' with my dogs, ballin' with my brothers. We just ballin' just because we some money motivated brothers, always with the sauce. I'm from the city of angels, you looking lost, oh no.
Y'all rockin' with that? Make some noise. That's what I'm talking about, make some noise. Let's go. Where my ladies at?
Hey, everybody get that Rhythm and Steez on all platforms right now. Rhythm and Steez. Oh yeah. Ladies, y'all ain't got hands right now.
Hey. She just wanna ride in a brand new race. Working on that body with an angel face. Told shorty she can never take your place. I asked her if she leaving and she said no way. She just wanna ride in a brand new race. Working on that body with an angel face. Told shorty she can never take your place. I asked her if she leaving and she said no way.
Show that confidence. Real quick. Anytime, anywhere, any place. Hit us up. Whoever need us. Mike Steez. Steez like Mike. Happy BRD. You already know what's up. I just want to say thank everybody for coming out. I want to thank Ashley, everyone. Hey, you already know what it is. Behind the cameras. Killed that shit.
Steez like Mike the fucking GOAT, man. Steez like Mike the fucking GOAT, man.